Hey everyone, friends, welcome to the Weiler channel. Today I'll show you how to create a collage in Instagram Stories. Open Instagram, tap on Stories, and then tap on Collage. Now select photos for your collage and hit Add. There. And now you can edit it here. Then click Apply. You can also do this another way. Clear everything and go back to Collage. Right? And then select a photo. There. Next, you can add more photos on top of this background photo. To do this, tap Stickers, tap Photos, and add your photos here. There. You can adjust the border style and arrange everything as you like. That's it. This was Weiler with you. See you all later.